Watch A News at 6.
The occasional thunderstorms we've seen this afternoon are reminders of what could lie ahead. This is tornado season, and anyone who was in Barrie 24 years ago remembers the destruction that swept through this city and many others. Jackie Crandall's went to see what forecasters are predicting for this tornado season.
Dark, thundery, a greenish hue.
It's been almost 25 years since a tornado ripped through the city of Barrie. Pat Beat remembers it like it was yesterday.
There was no warning, and then just this horrible sound going over, and then I just rushed down the basement.
The storm caught most Barrie residents off guard. Environment Canada says it was the severity of that tornado that served as a wake-up call and changed how it warns people about coming storms. We're now in the middle of tornado season, and here in Barrie, part of what's called Tornado Alley, severe weather is a very real possibility this summer.
We are in fact overdue for some of these bigger, more powerful storms.
2 small tornadoes have already touched down in Ontario this season, one in Ottawa, the other in Windsor. Jeff Coulson is the severe weather specialist for Environment Canada. He says people should know that any storm has the potential to become a tornado with the right conditions.
A cool wedge of air sort of driving under that warmer, moister, lighter supply of air. If there's less than 30 seconds between that flash of lightning and the rumble of thunder, that storm is close enough to be a problem. You should be looking for your best shelter.
Advances in Doppler radar technology has been one of Environment Canada's most important forecasting tools, but often the best warning system includes one of the oldest forms of communication.
The winds are picking up.
Rick Francis is a volunteer with Environment Canada's canwarn system. He is specially trained to be the ears and eyes of storm activity in the Orillia area.
We try and fit in the pieces where the technology is missing the information.
And it's the real-time nature of these reports that's very, very important. These storms can develop quickly, they can move quickly. The faster we get the information that there's been damage in an area, that we've had large hail reported, we can integrate that information into the watches and warnings and give more advance notice to people where that storm hasn't got to yet.
Environment Canada does warn that sometimes Mother Nature can be unpredictable, giving little to no warning before a storm. That's why they say it's always important to have an emergency plan in place, whether you're camping, at the cottage, or even at home. Reporting in Barrie for A News, I'm Jackie Crandalls.
Well, rain or shine, there won't be any alcohol at provincial parks when the gates open this weekend, but there likely will be plenty of